Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare romaine lettuce. First, choose heads that are firm and bright green, avoiding any with wilting or discoloration. You'll need a sharp knife, a cutting board, and a large bowl. Begin by peeling away and discarding any outer leaves that appear damaged or less fresh. This initial step ensures you start with the best quality lettuce for your meal. After removing the outer leaves, separate the remaining leaves from the core. Rinse each leaf individually under cool, running water, gently rubbing to dislodge any dirt or sand. This ensures a clean, crisp bite. For best results, dry the leaves completely using a salad spinner, spinning for about 30 seconds, or by patting them dry with clean paper towels. Excess water can dilute your dressing. Once clean and dry, you can cut your romaine. For salads, a 1-inch to 2-inch chop works well. If you're using it for wraps or tacos, shred it finely, aiming for about 1/8 inch wide strips. To keep it fresh, store washed and dried leaves, whole or cut, in an airtight container lined with a damp paper towel in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Romaine lettuce is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for classic Caesar salads, adding a satisfying crunch to sandwiches, or as a base for healthy wraps. You can even grill whole romaine hearts for a unique, smoky flavor. Remember, always dress your romaine just before serving to maintain its crisp texture. Avoid overdressing. A light coating is usually sufficient for a delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.